Is it time to buy or sell Advanced Micro Devices stock? In this video, we will explore Advanced Micro Devices in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 24th of April, 2025, and now we aim to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 23rd of April, 2025, our system has ranked Advanced Micro Devices as a hold accumulate, assigning it a score of 0.37. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has undergone natural fluctuations, achieving a gain of 4.51%. This results in an average return of 2.26% each day since it was categorized as hold accumulate. The stock is currently positioned within a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating a likelihood of further decreases ahead. The present 3-month trend indicates a potential reduction of 20.2% over the coming 3 months, with expected returns ranging between negative 38.01% and negative 10.8% when considering the longer term. Our 12-month analysis suggests a projected change of negative 35.35%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance may vary from negative 48.68% to negative 8.79% over the upcoming year. In current terms, this could place the future price somewhere between $48.48 and $86.16. Our latest daily update for Advanced Micro Devices includes the headline, Advanced Micro Devices stock price up 4.51% on Thursday. The Advanced Micro Devices stock price gained 4.51% on the last trading day, which was Thursday, the 24th of April, 2025. It rose from $90.39 to $94.47. This marks 3 consecutive days of gains. It will be interesting to see whether this trend continues or if there will be a slight pause in the coming days. On the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 4.85%, with a daily low of $90.37 and a daily high of $94.75. The price has increased in 6 of the last 10 days, although it remains down by 2.45% for this period. Volume decreased by 8 million shares on the last day, with a total of 33 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $3.11 billion. It is important to note that falling volume alongside rising prices can indicate divergence and may serve as an early warning for potential changes in the upcoming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $187.28, while the lowest was $76.48. Currently, the price is 49.56% or $92.81 below the 52-week high, and 58.44% or $132.83 below the all-time high on March 8, 2024, when it peaked at $227.30. Advanced Micro Devices, known as AMD, is currently experiencing heightened interest in the stock market, largely due to its strategic positioning in the rapidly evolving artificial intelligence sector. Reports indicate that the global motherboard market is projected to grow by 2.3% in 2025, driven by the integration of artificial intelligence in personal computers and shifts in gaming technologies that favor AMD's offerings. This growth is crucial for AMD as it enhances its market presence in a competitive landscape heavily influenced by advancements in artificial intelligence. Additionally, AMD is viewed as a strong contender against ARM in the artificial intelligence space. Analysts suggest that while ARM enjoys higher profit margins, AMD offers a more attractive valuation, particularly as it prepares for upcoming earnings reports. This dynamic could lead to increased investment interest in AMD, especially as market volatility has made its stock less expensive relative to historical valuations. Moreover, despite recent challenges and a significant decline from its all-time highs, AMD shares rose substantially on April 23rd. This rebound may indicate renewed confidence among investors following positive momentum in tech stocks and reassurances amid macroeconomic uncertainties. Looking ahead, the growth prospects in the artificial intelligence market, expected to expand from $189 billion in 2023 to $4.8 trillion by 2033, position AMD favorably for long-term gains. In the short term, successful earnings reports and ongoing innovation could further boost its stock price, attracting more attention from institutional and retail investors alike. Overall, AMD is well-positioned to capitalize on its key technological advantages and market trends, which could lead to significant share price appreciation in both the near and distant future. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, the 22nd of April 2025, it was reported that Bank of America Securities assigned AMD a buy rating, accompanied by a hold action. On Wednesday, the 16th of April 2025, it was reported that Citigroup also assigned AMD a buy rating with a hold action. On Thursday, the 27th of March 2025, Jefferies assigned AMD a hold rating, along with a downgrade action. On Tuesday, the 11th of March 2025, Citigroup reported a neutral rating for AMD with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 19th of February 2025, Piper Sandler assigned AMD an overweight rating with a hold action. Analysts have assigned a general neutral rating to Advanced Micro Devices stock. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have also given the stock a neutral rating. The following signals have been identified for Advanced Micro Devices. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, April 8, 2025, and so far it has risen approximately 20.79%. Further increases are indicated until a new top pivot has been established. Additionally, there's a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. However, volume decreased during the last trading day. Despite rising prices, this creates a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning. The stock warrants close monitoring. Some negative signals have also been issued, which may influence short-term developments. The Advanced Micro Devices stock currently holds a buy signal from the short-term moving average. However, the long-term average indicates a general sell signal. With the long-term average above the short-term average, a general sell signal persists, suggesting a more negative outlook for the stock. Should further gains occur, the stock will encounter resistance from the long-term moving average at $97.72. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will find support from the short-term average at $89.67. A breakout above the long-term average would generate another buy signal, while a drop below the short-term average would reinforce the sell signal and intensify the overall outlook. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal 12 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 15 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 3 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 20 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 16 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 2 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal 121 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 115 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Advanced Micro Devices. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $85.76 and $83.64. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, as breaking this level could lead the stock to fall to the next support level. In this case, Advanced Micro Devices finds support just below today's level at $85.76. If this level is breached, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at $83.64 and $78.21. This stock may experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility. And with a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it's considered to be high risk. In the past day, the stock moved $4.38 between its high and low, which is a change of 4.85%. Over the last week, the stock has seen a daily average volatility of 3.39%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for advanced micro devices, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its earnings per share. A high PE ratio might suggest that the stock is overvalued or that investors are anticipating significant growth rates in the future. In other news, the next earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is expected on the 6th of May, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at 93 cents. Keep an eye on these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for advanced micro devices. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for advanced micro devices is at $96.84. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Advanced Micro Devices faces its first support level at $85.76. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Advanced Micro Devices from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were carried out by Papermaster Mark D., who bought and sold 70,000 shares or options in the company. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we have determined that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 16.08. In total, insiders acquired 993,364 shares and sold 1,414,783 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $91.16, reflecting a decrease of 3.5%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, which introduces a higher level of risk. There is currently a buy signal based on a pivot bottom identified 11 days ago. Is Advanced Micro Devices stock a good buy? Advanced Micro Devices presents several positive signals. However, we do not consider these sufficient to classify it as a buy candidate at this time. Currently, it should be viewed as a hold candidate, suggesting that investors may either hold or accumulate shares while waiting further developments. Upon analyzing the volatility and price movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price appears to be overvalued. For trading on Friday, the 25th of April, we anticipate that Advanced Micro Devices will open lower by $1.27, starting at $93.20. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Don't forget to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.